Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel!
There's a light inside your eyes, you make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay.
Good morning! On the way to work now.
That's it.
6 o'clock.
Could you imagine if they had a crowd in there? Defund the police, defund the police, replace the police. You would have different, as the media goes around talking. Yeah, you said Democrat.
Wendy! Huh?
You eat your dinner?
No?
You want me to make a pizza?
Oh yeah!
Okay.
Whoa! So Wendy. May ipo-ipo. May nakita pa akong lightning. Plus, magtatanim na naman ako. This is my tomato here. And lusog, oh. There's my roses and the potato. And my tomato there. Shout out Inday Kamote. Alam ko, magaganda yung tanim mo, Inday. Thanks for watching! Ayan, bigay ni Ed. Snake plants. Tanim natin to. Wala kaming kuryente. Ayan. Pero, dahil dito sa flashlight, yan. Ito ang aming, this is our flashlight here. And have a, hey Daisy. There. No flashlight. I know electricity.
I need to validate the existence of Black people by saying the magic words, Black Lives Matter.
There.
Actually shows that I think that my white people,
Flashlights.
period,